Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So today we're working on the 21 Subaru Forester Sport. Okay, so all we're gonna do the starter. So the automatic starter is having trouble starting the car. When it stops, sometimes it just doesn't start. So we're gonna replace the starter today. All right. Also, I forgot the name of the switch. We're gonna also replace that. So anyway, let's go and start the process. A lot of you who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. Alright guys, so here it is, and I believe the starter is back here behind. Let me see if I can show it to you. Somewhere in here guys, that's where the starter is. I had to take this cover out, probably the air box, so I can see what I'm doing. So the first thing we're gonna do, pop this guy off, take this off. Okay, so let's start the process. The first thing we're gonna do to pop this guy off, we're gonna take the battery out just to be sure nothing happened while we're working on the electrical part of it. All right, let me grab the 10. Come on. Alrighty. Another one. Just make sure it's not touching anything. Alright guys. Next one is this should just be able to pop it off. Okay. Alright guys, the starter is back here. So we gotta take this whole piece out. It's one piece. Look like there's supposed to be a pop clip here, but someone must have taken it out already. It's not there. Let's take this guy out too. Alright, I'm gonna have to take the whole airbox out. Alright, so let's do this. Unplug the MAF. So I need to pop this out. Alright, now let's try it a different way. Alright, got it. Okay, let's take the whole thing out. It's probably easier. Okay, and oh, okay, it came out. Alright, let me see what's holding it. Another hose, guys. Yeah, there's a hose right here, guys. We gotta take out. Okay, I got it. It's out. All right, this is the starter here, guys. Make sure nothing is touching the battery. All right, see what's holding it. There's a bolt on the top. The bracket here, which is the ground bracket, I have to take out, and I believe there's another bolt on the bottom. I can't see. For the bottom bolt, guys, let me see, would I be able to do it if I take out the tire? I don't know yet. Let me see. All right guys, right here there's a 12. I'll take this guy out. Okay, 14 here. Okay, this one is definitely 14. Hold on. Cable's getting pinched a little. All right, let's get it out the way. Oh, that's a long bolt, guys. Oh, still coming out. I got it. All right, the one for the bottom, guys, I'm gonna have to try to get it by the tire because I can't really get at it from the top. I'm gonna try to do it. Take out the tire. Where's the car? Take out the tire and see, guys. Hold on. You see right here where my hand is? Right here. That's where the bolt is for the starter. It looked like a 14. I'm gonna take that guy out. Alright guys, you see how my gun is? This is my gun right here. This is how I was able to do it. It's very tight. See, I put the gun all the way up and I'm able to hold the gun and then put it on the lowest setting to take out the bolt. So I was able to do it that way. So I'm gonna have to do it the same way, okay? Just so you guys know. Sideways, there you go. And then I'm able to take out that bolt. I don't know if you could see, but I'll put an arrow and I'll zoom in when I get them post so you guys can see what it looks like. So I got the bolt out now. Alright guys, so I took the bottom bolt out already. So I'm just gonna take the top one out again and make sure the battery is off. Like always, look like it's coming out already. Alright, let me hold the starter and then unscrew it with the other hand. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already took out the bolt. So I'm gonna take out the starter. Then that way I'll be able to take out the wires that's still attached. Okay. Let's see if it's easier when I lift the starter. This is the old starter. Alright, you guys can see there's a couple wires we gotta take out. I think I see 1, 2. I'm trying to take out this rubber. Okay, alright, there's a look like a 12. Well, let's check it out. Yep, that's 12. Okay, and careful guys, there is a washer here. Don't lose the washer. There you go. I don't know if the new one comes with the washer, but just to be safe, all right? So now, oh, I got it. All right, that's everything. That's the starter, guys, all right? Well, it doesn't look bad. Looks fine. But anyway, let's take this out. Let me get you the new one. All right, guys, this is the new starter. We just ordered it from the dealership, from Subaru directly. This is the part number if you're interested. All right, right here. Okay, I'll take a picture and show it to you guys. So this is the new starter, very similar to the other one. All we have to do is plug this guy in and put the bolts that hold it. All right, and you look at the other one. This is the used one. Pretty much the same thing because it's OEM stuff. So the only difference is this is probably rusted and this is silver. That's it, and they both has that 62 number. All right, guys. Okay, let's go put this guy in. Alrighty, guys. Let me grab the cabling, which is this guy here, because this goes like that. Yep, it goes like this. Hold on a second. Put the washer and the nut. It's a 12. We're gonna snug this guy in. Okay, then we put the cover over it. Then we connect this cable here too. So you guys can see. Yep, that's it. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab this, maneuver it out the way. Let's do it this way. I think, let me turn it. I think that's how I did. Like that. There you go. Okay. Almost there, guy. Okay, it's in. All right, let me grab the tool. All right, that long bolt, guys, we're gonna put that long bolt in here. So that's gonna hold everything together. Let me double check, make sure this thing is where it's supposed to go, because I can't see if it's in there. The starter is supposed to go on a bolt down there, guys. I'm gonna put it onto the bolt. I don't know if it's on there. Oh yeah, it's on there. Yeah, it's on here, good. Now we're gonna put this long bolt in here. Alright guys, now let's try to hand tie this guy up. Alright guys, I got this bolt right here all hand tight. Looks good, so I don't want to continue anything for now. I'm gonna go in the bottom and tight the bottom one, and then we can come back here and finish everything up here because it's easier to do the bottom bolt on the bottom. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, let's take the tire out again. I had to put it on just to be safe when I drop the car. So guys, I can't really show it to you. I'll try to show it to you afterwards, but it's very hard to get a camera in there. I have to do it with the gun, guys. Just I have no leverage with the gun. I have a little more room I can work with. Okay. All right, guys. I put it on. Okay. The bottom one is done. We're not going back in here. We're gonna put the tire back in. All right, guys, done. All right, guys, we're just gonna tie this guy up. Okay, guys, it's in. There's a cable we gotta put on. This cable goes right here. This is the 12. It goes right up here. 21. Okay guys, this is good. All right guys, we also ordered another part just to be safe. Let me take it out, show you what it looks like. There you go. This is the starter relay. We're gonna also replace this bad boy here. So let me find it into where the fuse box is. The fuse box. All right guys, I think it's in here. Let's check, see if I'm right. All right guys, let me see if I can find where it says relay. All right guys, so we believe this is it. Don't worry, we can take this out because there's no power. The battery's not there. Okay, that's the old one. This is the new one. And usually these only go one way, guys, so it's very hard for you to screw it up. Okay. All right guys, let's put this cover back in place. All right guys, so now it's time to put the battery back. Let's hope everything works. I have to. All right, this one is a 10. All right guys, this is on. Let's put the airbags back into its place. All right guys, here it is. Okay. And then, guys, we gotta put this thing back in too. Guys, there's a hose here that goes in here. Yeah, there's a hose that goes here. Don't forget to put it back. I almost forgot to put that one back. So I just went back and I'm reconnecting it now. Okay, 10. Alright, and then we put the clip back out, the clamp back in. Alright guys, I got the clip in, so let's put this back into its spot. Okay. Alright, now let's put this thing back in. So there's one right here, guys. Okay, there used to be a clip here, but it's not there, so there's nothing we could do about that, guys. The only thing left is, guys, we gotta connect the math, boom, and plug this back in. That's it, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna give it the start after the starter, see how it sounds, how it starts, I should say. Alright, let's give it a try. Big difference. Yeah. All right, guys. Last piece, the piece of resistance. We gotta put this guy in. We'll find a way. Clips in. All right, guys. That's it. She's done. I'm gonna look it up.